The Dead Sea is the lowest place on Earth and continues to capture the attention of photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. However, the Dead Sea is drying up, and photographer Asaf Amran is doing his part to breathe new life into this natural wonder. I joined Asaf at sunrise to expose his four-dimensional Dying Beauty project. It's the middle of the night, and while most people are sound asleep, Asaf Amran is wide awake and on a mission.
Being here in the night, everything is quiet. The weather sometimes is cool, quiet here. You can hear the waves and waiting for the sunrise. When the sunrise is up, the sky becomes colored. It's something that I cannot explain it. You must be here to feel it. But you can see it from my photos.
A manager of a high-tech company by day, Asaf lives and breathes his creative passion for professional photography.
When I come to here, I switch my mind, and I'm not anymore high-tech worker. I'm not a family person. I disconnected from this, my reality, and here I'm artist.
An artist capturing the reality of the physical and existential threat facing the Dead Sea.
I can see it now. I visit here many times. Every week I see the change. The water half year ago was here, okay? And now you can see it's almost 1 meter below. Okay? It's very sad. The project is called Dying Beauty. It's very strong meaning, okay? First of all, the first conflict is that I present death as dying, okay? And the second conflict is because the Dead Sea is dying and shrink, new texture and new spots are appearing, okay? And the third conflict is what I'm already captured is death, it's change.
Asaf has invested in expensive photography tools to create his four-dimensional Dying Beauty project.
This is a slider, motorized slider. I can put the camera on the engine here, and the camera will move. And I can rotate the camera for left and right, and up and down, take picture every few seconds. When I use time lapse, you can see the change in the clouds. It's something you cannot see in your eyes. To see Milky Way in the Dead Sea is very special. Okay, this is a special housing. Usually it's used by scuba divers, and I'm the first one that used it in the Dead Sea.
Asaf has also found the formula to successfully capture underwater photos in the dense, salty waters.
It's not clear because of 34% salt in the Dead Sea. It must be very close to the camera. And for that, I use a wide angle. So the red, white, turquoise, and blue sky, everything together in sunrise, sometimes it's the red. It's very, very unique.
And Asaf tops off his morning routine by piloting his drone camera, capturing a bird's-eye view of the lowest point on Earth. From the Dead Sea, Emily Francis, I-24 News.